Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had told you about intersection method. So today's topic is intersection update method. It removes the elements that are not present in both set. Okay, so here is the syntax: set dot intersection in brackets set1 set2. So I'm using here editor Visual Studio Code. So here are two sets, set A and set B. So I'm writing here a dot intersection update in bracket, enter your second set which is B. Okay, let's print this value. So I'm writing here after intersection update set A. Okay, so here is showing apple and orange because in intersection update it removes that element which are not present in both set. Okay, so that's why showing apple and orange which is common in both set. Okay, so let's talk about it with another example, set A and set B. Okay, so just write it here, a dot intersection update in bracket, enter your second set which is B, and I'm writing here print after intersection update set A. Okay, so let's run this code and let's see what is the output. So here is showing one grapes apple because it removes that element which are not present in both set. Okay, so that's why showing only common element which is one grapes and apple. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So let's see what is the next. Our next topic is Issubset method. It returns true if all the elements in set exist in specified set, otherwise it returns false. It means, for example, all the elements of X is present in set B, that then it shows true. Okay, so this is the set A and set B. Okay, and just write it here, a dot Issubset B, and print this Z value. So here is showing true because all the element of set A is present in set B. That's why it's showing true here. Okay, so let's change this value. So let's check it with another example. So I'm changing here value of set A. Okay, so let's add kiwi here and again let's run this code. So here is showing false because set A, all the elements of set A is not present in set B. That's why it's showing false here. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.